So last year I had a robust black soldier fly colony and they took care of all of my dog's waste and it was just great. But this year they didn't come back in any kind of large quantities and instead they have been replaced with a new beneficial insect. So this year I did have some black soldier flies, but the colony was really quite small. And so what I did notice is I had these two lizards that moved into my bin. So I think that they went in there and they ate them so fast that I couldn't get a really, really big quantity. But to my surprise, something else showed up. So this year I looked in my bin and something was eating the dog crap, but I couldn't figure it out. And I started noticing these holes. And they're only in the bin. And I thought, okay. So I started digging around, and what I found were these gigantic grubs. Now, there aren't just a whole bunch of them, but the size of them are just incredible. They're almost as big as my thumb. That is huge. Look at the size of that. So my dog weighs about 75 pounds and she produces a lot of waste. And it doesn't matter how much I put in there, in 24 hours, if I bury it like this, they come back, it's all gone. And this is environmentally friendly because I'm not producing any waste going to the landfill and all of these nutrients and everything are being recycled back into the soil. Now what I really like about this is that what's left over here is just almost like black gold. This is completely broken down. There's absolutely no sign of dog crap anywhere, and it's just this incredible humus and other things. And this is so efficient in what they can do in a very, very short amount of time. It's essentially at the same speed as the black soldier flies. And so, you can use this as in your garden or whatever. Probably the safest thing to do would be to take this and just put it in your worm bin and let them go through it over and over. And they can take care of, most of the pathogens or whatever. All animal waste, human, dog, cats, whatever, they can all contain some harmful things that you need to break down. And here's a study showing the effectiveness of vermicomposting on human waste. And that's why I'm suggesting dumping this pre-compost into the worm bin to further break this down. So here's just an excerpt here. These results, in conjunction with pilot product results, strongly indicate that vermicomposting could be used as an alternative method for Class A biosolid stabilization. I would like my black soldier flies to return, but as far as these grubs are concerned, I'm pretty happy about it. And I don't know what kind of beetles they are, but they don't appear to be any kind of a pest. I don't see them swarming around or anything. And so it's working out pretty well for me.